Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
If you need to recover deleted emails in Yahoo Mail, don't worry, there are a couple of ways to try, but acting quickly is key. Your first step should always be checking your trash folder. When you delete an email, it usually moves to trash and stays there for 7 days. After that, Yahoo permanently deletes it. To get an email back from trash, simply go to your trash folder, locate the message, select it, and then click the Remove button. You can then choose to move it back to your inbox or any other folder you prefer. If you can't find the email in your trash, it means it's already been permanently deleted. In this case, Yahoo offers a more advanced recovery option for recently permanently deleted emails. To initiate this, you'll need to visit the Yahoo Mail help page. Search specifically for Restore Lost or Deleted Emails. You'll find a link to submit a formal restore request. On the request form, you will select a specific time frame for Yahoo to attempt to revert your mailbox. Understand that this process can take several hours to complete, and sometimes even longer. It's crucial to know that any emails you received after your chosen restore point might be deleted during this recovery. So, move any new, important emails to a separate folder before submitting your request. This advanced recovery typically works for emails that were permanently deleted within the last 7 days. The sooner you request it, the better your chances.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.